So we finally got two of these Predators working good. I've had them both on the truck individually and they both seem to work fairly well. So now I've mounted my spacers on the intake manifold. I just bolted the carburetors down with a couple of bolts for now so that I could rig up the linkage. Got this cheapo Chinese universal dual quad linkage. I think it was like 20 bucks or something. It's okay. It's got a little bit of play to it, but I think it'll work okay for this application. This part where the linkage hooks onto slides back and forth, so I can position that where I need it, or if I need it out like that, I can flip it over and have it that way. So hopefully that should work all right. My hopes are that with that linkage arm being able to slide back and forth, my linkage, I can, this one's also adjustable. I can adjust it. So I'm hoping I don't have to change linkage if I swap back and forth between the regular 4-barrel and the dual quad. So if I ever went on a bit of a road trip or something with it, I'd probably want to just put the single 4-barrel back on. So yeah, now we're getting ready to pull off the intake and get the whole setup on and running. So we got the carbs on and running. It turned out extremely well. It fired right up the first time I turned it over. We happened to get the distributor in just about perfect. I had very slight timing adjustment to make, but it was pretty much bang on as soon as we put it in. Couldn't have worked out any better. The system works really well. When I first put the carbs on, I left the air horn and side cover off so that I could play around with the tension spring a bit, and they weren't opening at the same time. One of the carbs, the tension spring was tighter than the other, so we tweaked that a little bit, and yeah, it ran really good right out of the box. I hardly had any tuning to do at all. In typical Predator fashion, they never really run that great until they're warmed up. I have the same problem with the individual Predators. There's no choke on them or anything, so definitely work really well once they're warmed up, and overall I'm satisfied with it. So there we have it. It went in extremely well. The linkage setup that I used worked extremely well. This is what I did with the fuel line. It works okay, I don't mind it. I think maybe at some point, not right away, I'll use more like the braided line like I did here, make something up a little more neater, but yeah, overall I'm happy. The carbs are super responsive. The only thing I did was I gave it a little bit less accelerator pump shot. I figured with the two carbs, it wouldn't need quite as big a shot, and it seems to work good, and it's they're ultra responsive. So I'm very, very happy. So I guess that concludes this video. It's currently Monday, May, what is it, the 18th today? Wednesday I'm going to go in and get a new windshield for it, and we'll put it in the car show next Saturday. So I'll probably make another little video at the car show, maybe showing some of the unique vehicles that are there. And anyways, until the next video, we'll talk to you then. Like I said before, if you have any comments or suggestions on how we do things moving forward, feel free to comment, and we'll talk to you next time.